Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our first session for today. We will explore in this session the critical changes and opportunities presented by a rapidly evolving digital and AI-driven landscape. We will discuss how organizations can accelerate their digital transformation efforts, as well as the operational and underwriting risks associated with fintech innovations. Additionally, we will examine the technological changes shaping new insurance business models and delve into the pressing issues of cyber risks and the associated underwriting activities. Join us as we navigate these vital topics that are redefining the future of the insurance industry. Moderating this session is Mr. Haytham Tahir, Deputy Chairman and Managing Director, MetLife Egypt. Joining him as speakers this morning, Mr. Hany Moussa, Corporate Business Development Senior Director, eFinance.
So if I can go now to the eFinance. eFinance, I think Mr. Hany, eFinance is more than 20 years now, if I remember well, the digital transformation arm for many governmental entities. So we heard here from Nermeen and the team that they are all positive about it. So to play the devil advocate, let me put it like this. Of course, if it is so nice, why we are not scaling up the digital transformation in the AI? So being the guru here, I want you to shed more lights on the challenges that insurers are facing to scale up digital transformation and AI.
Well, thank you very much, Haytham. Thanks for everyone. I'm very pleased to be among you today. Digital transformation in general, and specifically in the insurance sector, has many challenges. I think the top 6 or 7 challenges, I would say number one is the true will of leadership and the mindset of the management team. This is the greatest challenge, because digital transformation is not automation. It's not about using technology only. It's about the culture change. It's about adoption of different techniques. It depends on data and how to analyze data, how to get insights from the data, so that you can take better decisions until the maximum you can reach, which is now what people say, it's a self-driving organization. Digital transformation is only a tool that will leverage everything that you have, data and people and technology, so that you can become a self-driven organization, that decisions are easier to take, or let's say it's a different level of taking decisions based on the insights and the data you take. The second thing, I think, is the data and security, because in the world of cybersecurity challenges and attacks, and probably in the future when we see quantum computers are also invading the world one day, I don't think will be very, very late. I think it's like maybe in 5-10 years, you will find commercialized quantum computing, which is going to crack your password in a second instead of a million years. Then protecting your data, extracting your data, utilizing your data is another challenge. The third thing is the challenge of the legacy systems. If you have a lot of legacy systems that you can't get out the data from, you can't integrate to them, then that's probably a very big obstacle to a lot of organizations right now. Customer expectations also is something that we have to take care of. Nowadays, all customers are very well educated, they're technology savvy, they know how to deal with technology in a specific way, which raises the bar. It raises their expectations from how organizations and companies are dealing with them as well. Another thing is also how fast you are compared to your regulatory authorities and the compliance. If they are faster than you, then you're always lagging behind. You're always trying to recap. But if you're fast enough and you are advanced enough, you wouldn't have a challenge with the compliance issue and challenge of digital transformation. definitely money is king. So a lot of people see the challenges of the ROI. What are we going to spend, and how much money are we going to get after we spend on digital transformation? So a very wise calculation and a very wise consideration of the ROI is extremely important. The most important question actually about the challenges is how to overcome these challenges. It's not only the challenges, no, it's the solution for that. Overcoming the challenges is extremely important, and I don't think it became hard as it used to be in the past. It became easier now. Like now, I think moving the insurance industry from the position of reaction to action is a key for everything. Now the insurance industry, they detect and they try to treat something that has happened. If the mindset has changed to become how to predict and how to proactively take action so that the incident doesn't happen, then that saves a lot of money, and that's a very good justification of how you can work on the ROI, or think of the ROI rather than thinking of the cost that you would pay for digital transformation. For example, I think there was a research that said every dollar that you pay for awareness and wellness, it saves you $3 in treatment. So if you work proactively, definitely you can save a lot of money and eventually become more profitable, and the cycle goes on. For the data, or the technology in general, there are a lot of trends that are going on right now. One of them is the big data. Everything is connected. I think there probably will be over 1 trillion devices connected to the internet by 2025. That's tomorrow. So by adopting the technologies and connecting to these devices, and you know how to deal with this kind of massive amount of data and how to analyze it and make use of it, it will help you grow your business a lot and solve a lot of the challenges that you have. So connected devices, also connected systems and connected organizations, so collaboration between organizations and open architecture of different organizations that will share the data together, that will help a lot so that you can produce more products, tailored products, personalized products, and definitely you will move into a different scale and different area. I'll give an example for that, like the Apple Watch now. The Apple Watch, if you have an accident and you're wearing an Apple Watch, it will call your emergency contacts, and it probably can call the ambulance, and it will keep following you until you go to the hospital and give information for your emergency contacts. So this is something, it's a connected device sharing data connected with other organizations and entities that can take actions that will help you, and eventually insurance companies can benefit of this as well. As McKinsey sees the industry in 2030, they see that if you're going on a trip and you want to drive your car, selecting the road that you are going through and selecting the time and knowing how the road is occupied and how many cars on the road, and seeing all this, it will enable insurance company to charge you for the ride. It can charge you for the mile. It can charge you a different premium based on your personalized experience every day and every minute. So that will open the door for insurance companies also to think out of the box in new products, very tailored and personalized, paid per usage or per mile. So these outcomes or these benefits that will come to the insurance companies, I think they overweigh a lot of challenges that they will have. Lastly, the connected information, when you use also the algorithms and the AI technology to further empower the data and the information that you have, it can exponentially lead to a very, very sophisticated kind of activities that will help you in all aspects, in the distribution and sales, in the creation of a personalized products that you will sell to the customers, in the underwriting process and how to make it easier. The cost reduction by adopting the technology and adopting the AI, I think it will be massive, so that you can eventually achieve much higher profitability, at the same time reducing the cost and the price for the customers.
Thank you so much. I don't know, very thoughtful. It was very thoughtful, Hany. And I don't know, maybe the audience will see a lot of challenges, but you put it in a way that how can we overcome this? And the most important for insurers or for everyone as well, that number one is the mindset of the management, our eagerness and the enthusiasm we want the change. The ROE is a little bit different because you are expensive, but but I think it is a must. It is a must to go there. Thank you so much, Hany.